devil is grabbing a hold of my soul. I don't know if I'll ever have any control, so you better be changing your tone, or the chrome will be forcefully opening holes in your throat. Distorted the mug with a slug would explode in a punk with the thump of a pump on a chump. Opened in front of proportioned and hunched, soaking in slump that fuck this cunt. Sometimes it feels like I'm under a spell. I'll never wake up from this slumber in hell. Darkness surrounds like I'm tucked in a shelf. The devil is always around me to help. Don't get caught slipping like Vaseline, flaming like matches. The gasoline wasted like batteries, burning like calories. Think long and hard before smiling at me. 9 times out of 10 I'm on that ivory. My stress levels never felt level. Forever unsettled, protected by devils. The eye to the jackal, the mind is incredible. Injecting my brain with some devil shit. Satan erecting malevolence. I sever man, it is evident. No evidence when the metal hits. In an instant, you in an incident. Stripping the innocence of the innocent. No witnesses, triple sickness. 666 stitches. Diminish you bitches in minutes. Viciously dismissed with biscuits like residents. Offending you finish.
Bitches sound like flipper when I fuck 'em in the shit up. Bitches sound like flipper. Bitches sound like flipper. Bitches sound like flipper when I fuck 'em in the shit up. Fuck 'em in the shit up. Fuck 'em. Bitches sound like flipper when I fuck 'em in the shit up. Bitches sound like flipper. Bitches sound like flipper. Bitches sound like flipper when I fuck 'em in the shit up. Fuck 'em in the shit up. Fuck 'em.
I'm plotting up properly, robbing your property, cocking the Glock, so you better talk cautiously. This is a robbery. Give me your money and think it's a lottery. All your belongings belonging to me. You don't wanna be posing for shots like photography. Unknown identity, rolling the road all alone with no sanity. Holding the chrome in his unholy fantasies. Hoping the home for the breaking and enemy. Praying so heavenly, hoping heaven don't forget him indefinitely. LSD scenery, groping the Hennessy, steadily drunk. Devil shit bumping out of the trunk. Drive-by start firing like Trump. Bullets crisscross, they making you jump. But that didn't help, you got shot in the mouth. On the back of the skull, saw your brains falling out. Drove south on a different route, distracted and aroused by this bitch's tits hanging out.